we are gathered here to discuss the case study on effects of electromagnetic radiation. We know that electromagnetics are very useful in our day-to-day life. It will be useful in our communication field and also for computer applications, biomedical applications, etc. Even though it has many advantages, it has some effects, harmful effects also to the environment and also to the human society. I'll give you time to discuss the topic. Afterwards, we discuss about the case study. Students, shall we discuss? Give your points so that we can see the effects.
I'm going to initiate. Firstly, electromagnetic radiations are it's in the form of energy that is transmitted through space in the form of electromagnetic waves. So these waves consist of electric and magnetic field that is perpendicular to each other due to the direction of propagation. So examples of these electromagnetic radiations are radio waves, microwaves, and X-rays. So, talking about the effects of electromagnetic radiation, which includes many factors such as intensity, frequency, and etc. So, basically, and main point is thermal effect. Thermal effect means which high frequency waves such as microwaves, infrared. These type of waves are having a high intensity. So it leads to the tissue damage due to the prolonged usage or exposure. This leads to the tissue burns or fully damaged. So over to me.
Ma'am, I'm going to add some points to the effects. The first effect I'm going to add is impact on plants. It affects electromagnetic wave affects the plant's life cycle and also create disturbance in its life cycle, like affecting the photosynthesis and absorption in its nutrients. So this will cause an cascading effect in our environment and in their environment too. And the next effect is effect on wildlife. Birds uses magnetic field, Earth's magnetic field for its navigation. So yeah, electromagnetic waves affects its navigation. So their life cycle is also affected. And the next effect is electromagnetic interference. Electromagnetic interference disturbs or affects the communication system. So it leads an effect in our medical devices. So it will cause an effect in our environment. Over to
Add some effects on automatic radiation. The third point is habitat fragmentation. Infrastructure is associated with automatic radiation such as power lines and cable lines may affect on the environment of wildlife, especially in the sensitive ecosystem. And the fourth point is indirect effect on human health. Automatic radiation may not affect human health directly, but indirectly by increasing human activities and behaviors, which may lead to changes in land use, resource consumption, and the pollution levels. Over to Karthik.
I am going to explain about how to minimize the exposure of the electromagnetic radiations. Nowadays, we are all using mobile phones while calling and many other things. While calling, we have keep our mobile phones near to the head. It causes many effects to our brain and head. So, overcome this problem, we may use a speakerphone or headphones. And another point is use the mobile phone very how much you reduce the mobile phone usage. It is very good to
About the exposure of electronic devices, having a safe distance from electronic devices and power lamps and other potential source of electronic magnetic field. And when you are not actively using your phone or tablets, switch to airplane mode to avoid electronic devices.
Topic. So, electromagnetic pollution refers to the presence of electromagnetics from various sources like from power lines, cell towers, and electronic devices. While there are many concerns about potential health effects, their overall impact is not fully understood. So, some researches are ongoing on this field, and it is said that it is more complex. So, they also say that they contribute to sleep disturbances and infertility concerns, etc. So, it's always good to stay have an adopt precautionary solutions and have a balance between technological use and personal use.
Thank you, dear students. You are involved in this discussion, and we had a wonderful time. And the topic is very useful to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.